Hello everyone! We are installing a ceiling fan. Here's the ceiling fan that we got from Lowe's. It's on sale for $69 and it's super energy efficient. It moves like 1,589 square feet of air and just $9 a year if you turn on 6 hours a day. It's because this room, let's see, it only has a light when we bought the house. And we're gonna add a ceiling because this room is like facing the sun, so it's really hot in the daytime. So with a ceiling fan, it will be cooler. We don't have to turn on the AC all the time. And we already unboxed all the parts here: the motor unit, the mounting bracket, the light bulb. It comes with remote control. You turn on the light and fan speed.
So the first step we need is to install this one.
No, the first step is to shut off the power. Yeah, I know. I'm telling the video to shut off the power of the room so you don't get electrocuted when you're installing. And we checked all the lights in this whole room is off. Okay, let's start.
So the first step is this.
Okay.
Well, and the second step is to make sure
Yes, it's already designed that way.
It's far. No, it's like far away from.
It's a 52-inch, so it's for like medium-sized room. Hey, I'm on the ceiling. Trying to remove the light. I'm not sure. There's like dust coming down. I'm not sure how to do that. Totally not an electrician. Not sure.
I
don't know how to remove the light.
I think we need to get those out. The wires inside. I think we need to get those out.
You have to unplug this thing first. I just don't know how to do that. Maybe we need to YouTube it a little more. You're not so smart. We untwisted the tip and then it came out.
What are you gonna do with that?
Okay, now it's mounting it to the roof. Should we just take out those two screws or do we use the new screws? Okay. Whew, that was strenuous. We got this thing mounted to the roof now.
Step number 4 is all wiring.
Wiring next. Do it. Okay. Whew. We got the fan up. All the wire. Screwing the fan blade now. Where's the fan blade?
No, sorry. And that's our foreman. Pinako-chan! You supervising us?
Okay, we got the light bulb, we got the fan blade. Now just the light cover. Put this on there. Yay, complete! Moment of truth. We're gonna go turn on the master light switch for that bedroom. And see the fan and light. So much work. Over 2 hours, man. Major work. I would say like $100 something to $80 for installation. Okay. Alright, moment of truth. Which one do you want to turn on for the light or the fan?
Fan? Nope. Alexa?
No power in our room. No power in our room. Oh, it's on.
Alexa, turn Alexa.
No.
Fail.
No moving. No movement. Oh man, no movement. Okay.
Oh wait.
What?
Can we turn on the power?
No, is the power?
Try again.
It's still on. The remote too. Nope. Nope. Epic fail. Okay. Something wiring is not working.
Dude, we'll have to remove the whole thing.
Okay, we rewired it and agreeing to the copper. So now Stina just switch on and we turn on the power now. Oh shit, nothing's happening. What the fuck? Okay, let's try the remote. Oh, lights is on. See the fan. Oh, fan is moving too. Woohoo! Okay. So you have to use this remote. Those things don't do anything. This is the master power, basically.
Oh, so no wonder they gave us
Yeah, there's the thing for it.
amount.
Yeah.
So you can mount it here.
Yep, you can mount it there. Yeah. So this too is just useless.
Supposed
Do you think
to
this
be-
works? This is the dimmer.
No.
No. Yeah, we just keep it max. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Keep this max. This is the master power. Yeah, this is the master for both.
For both. And the dimmer light just doesn't work?
This doesn't work. Yeah, because I didn't hook up the pink one. The dimmer doesn't work.
Oh, so what if you do the dimmer? Wait.
We don't want dimmer though. This is not a dimmer light bulb. Yeah. This is a regular light bulb. Yeah. Alright, fan on. Fan on. Wow, 凉啊. Very silent.
That's good. And light? Oh, that's good.
Fan speed 3, maximum speed.
You might. Yeah, 这个就有声音。
No, it's the AC. Is it? Oh, you're saying. 好凉啊，站下来. You need to come down here and feel the wind. 好凉.
That definitely helps the AC.
Pretty safe. Pretty quiet. Okay, pretty good. But I don't think we need such a fast speed. Maybe
No, it's
2
not
would be good. 2 or 1 is good. Is it 2? Nice. Now tonight oh, it's so cool down here. Our nap will be very nice. Did it. Thanks for watching.
And our foreman is still there.
Our foreman. She's here the whole way. Beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye.